Hey everybody, Lori Frederick here. Today I want to revisit one of my favorite things if you have any shoulder, neck, back, hip pain. It's called thoracic rolling. It means you're using a roller on the thoracic spine, which is the one where your rib cage is. You can use any type of roller. You can use this one. It's a rumble roller. It's pretty firm, a white traditional foam roller, or this one I really like from Trigger Point Therapies. They have a bunch of different firmness you get to pick. The idea is that you want to get flexible and mobile in your thoracic spine. So ideally, you put it about your shoulder blades, and ideally I would love for you to get to where you can touch your head and your hips. Now, this is a lot of range of motion, so you can start by just going as far as you can, actively come in and out of it, actively take some breaths, and then eventually you might get there. Otherwise, you can lift your hips up. That might give you a little head start to rest your head, and then you can actively go up and down with your hips to try to get that range of motion. So either way you want to get there with some active in and out of it, but this flexibility around your thoracic spine is really going to help you in so many ways. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.